toilet.
What?
Dad's going to the toilet.
Do that properly.
And this is my new secret. Not tell anybody. I have my own, me and Charlotte, we have our own tree house. And look, we got a little thing there. And we're going to decorate soon. We'd like to do decorating it. Oh, I'm sorry, we could do video decorating it.
So they're going to set that on fire, then they're going to set after. Yes. That's a weird one, isn't it? Strange one. I remember they had the Queen's Crown one year and they had to take it away before they burnt the entire thing down. That was a fun time. Oh my god, I feel like my coat's actually melting on me. Is it?
I know you're sorry, son, it's okay, but God, that hurt.
Go in there.
Yeah.
Go in there.
You're cold now?
What, stinks over there?
No, don't. Go on. Right, watch. Look. I actually don't know what you'll make of this.
Oh god.
Yeah, it's big.
Careful, loud bangs, can you read it?
Whoa! What's that?
It's a colourful
It's a firework.
Sorry, a magical colour.
What do you think of that? Yeah.
Oh,
Wait. What's one gonna do?
Very good. 1, 2.
Nice. Is that good? Alright. Right, watch it.
It's not blue.
Here we go.
Where's the blue? There's blue on that packet.
Yay! Did you like that one?
Run from this one, Granda. Run from this one.
Way.
Wow, this is really like the sunset. I love the green. Look at the green.
You want selfie?
I am. I'm Alvin.
Stand together the 3 of you. Stand still.
We're watching the firework, Grandma.
Alvin's coming back.
Right, Wait, what's that?
Dancing butterflies.
That's exactly the same. You're the one without the red. Oh, that was great.
Which way, Mama? Santa's gone.
The Santa's lighting the fireworks.
Is that enough?
What's that?
Oh, you. Scream again.
One so fast.
Right. I don't see any flowers in that field. I see daisies. They're weeds. Well, none.
It's good, isn't it, Grandma?
I think you're getting more enjoyment out of the kids left of the cat.
Alvin.
I know you want to do that, Alvin.
Is that Alvin? And then is that no.
Right.
No, no.
Yeah, but look, watch because it's like the noisy one. You don't know. Other way, Sophie. Sophie, go that way.
It's like
That's it,
the
look,
noisy
stand
one,
me
we don't
still.
know.
I just thought,
You ready? Oh, here you go.
God, that's in the space of 2 seconds, isn't it? You're nosy. Your nose. Alvin's back. Oh, oh.
Whoa, that is really good. I like that. Yeah. I want to win, so I want to Oh, 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh, that's nice. That's going so high. Oh! Stop showing off!
He's just going to wait yourself tonight,
We're going to bring out this more food. Watch.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah, right.
Sure.
Oh, wow, that was spectacular, I must say. Wow, that was so cool. 3, 2, 1, bang! I've never seen that one.
Sandstorm going like that.
Yeah,
Right, you stand it.
every fireworks
Stand there, Emma.
every firework could
Sit, stand it.
every fireworks we're gonna have a couple, okay?
Alright, I need to help you with these ones. Are you ready for this one? The big one. What is it? Just that.
The boxes.
That's pretty colours. Should have done these ones first, eh?
So what was that?
Do
Which season was that? Summer?
Aldi, they were quite pricey when we went.
Were they?
Oh no, we didn't go into Aldi.
Green.
1, 2, 3,
Way!
Well, yeah, Aldi
What do you think of that one? How does that represent autumn? I will never know.
No.
Needs to be this end of it now.
Oh, Aldi is good.
Oh, you'll be hiding the trees. Hey!
I don't get paid for money for one thing and another, so I don't afford to spend it.
I'm supposed to move out of Vinny's favour.
Green is it?
Yeah.
That's all.
Here we go. I'm waiting for this.
Oh, you're right, it's red anyhow.
Why?
Oh, I'm loving that. Santa and snow. Oh, wow, that was.
And it was all over.
But will the king fit in that?
Eh?
Will the king even fit in that?
Stanley?
No, yeah. Woo!
Yeah. Yay! Oh, 4. That was. Oh, 5. There's 4 in the last one. There you are. I thought that was ours.
Just gotta angle it away.
Is it angled right?
Yeah, it's angling it away from us. It might just go in them trees.
Brandon, make sure you run away. Run after you. Run!
Oh,
Run!
frick.
Run!
One.
Go on, please work, please work.
Jeez.
Where'd it go?
Up there, it's up there. Oh, yeah.
That's a good one, eh?
That was a good.
There you go.
Was that good?
Bang.
See him now. Go and see him now. Go see him.
Oh, look at this, look at the smoke.
These guys didn't know.
Did you know?
Went too high.
You're going to get the sparklers now then.
Yeah, we'll do the
Get the
sparklers.
sparklers. Put your coat on and do the sparklers.
Put your coat on, yeah.
No, you won't. It's cold. You'll have a chest infection. Stanley, careful.
Yeah, didn't want to give you one. Just calm down. Yeah, it's around the top.
No, don't give it to Glenda like that. Just put it on the floor, Sophie, if you
Yeah,
can.
just look at the fire.
Here, Sophie, there's no more. I've got them in my hand. Alright, just be careful now.
Keep it tight.
There.
No trick.
Alright?
Tell you what, just chuck it on the floor, Pat, down there. Give him
It's
the fire.
just as easy
Yeah,
to do.
it's easy. Just as
No.
careful when you get further with it.
You got it, be careful, because these ones are getting smaller now.
That's it. It should be. Oh, it's not lit yet. Can you manage, Pat? Here, give it. You got the right idea. Got a gloves on.
I've got gloves on, so it's right there.
I'm just putting them here. Oh, my knees.
Be careful, you don't knock people out with them, Sophie.
I can't feel my knees. They're burning.
Yeah, I've got more. Just one.
Oh, that's small.
Just only one another one.
All right, now.
Do you want?
Yeah.
No.
No, watch. Look, Flynn's gonna get you another one.
I've been halfway through it. I've nearly all day done.
You wanna sit on there?
Yeah, the
No,
more.
it's not enough there. God, those are ridiculous.
Please,
Yeah. God, that's boiling. Right, wait. Hold on. Let me light it first.
There we are now. Just pop it towards the.
Just
Pop
chuck
it down there.
to the
All
fire.
right. And if we don't go and pick them up again.
Got it?
Got it?
This is a big one.
No, right.
Put down the floor. Put on the floor. I was going to say don't. Make sure you don't touch that, honey.
Got one, Charlotte?
Got it?
Why don't you? Oh, you got it.
You got it, Sophie?
Got it? Way. Okay, good.
As soon as I finish, you just put them on the floor by there, okay?
By the bucket. One hot.
Mhm.
You like the
Cool
colours?
breeze, boy. Yeah.
No, don't touch it. Hot. Don't touch.
Hey!
Right, don't touch. Yeah.
All gone. Salt.
Can I put some on the fire, Pat? Come on now.
You're going for the big one.
Light you blood orange.
Two spiders in the box.
Two spiders.
Yeah. Two spider. Yeah.
Oh, he's a big one, isn't he?
Sophie, there's a spider in the box. Have a look.
There's two.
Spider, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk away from that.
No?
Kill it.
Oh,
No, you don't kill
Don't
them.
kill
You don't
it.
kill spiders, darling.
There you go.
he's just gone under there.
Gone under the logs.
It's alright. So go on, go
Let me
back
see
in.
if I see.
Okay, let's go away from the fire.
Oh!
not one of them. There you are.
You've got a hammer, pull it in yourself.